How to replace a human touch Supernovo X left ledge panel. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a small flathead screwdriver. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Next, use a small flathead screwdriver to pry a corner of the rubber mat off the ledge panel, then use your fingers to remove the rubber mat. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, loosen or remove the 4 screws that secure the ledge panel to the chair. Lift the ledge panel out of the chair, then tip it to expose the connectors underneath. Disconnect the connectors. If any screws remain in the ledge panel, tip it over to retrieve them, then remove the ledge panel from the chair. Now let's replace it. To install the new ledge panel, first connect the 3 connectors. Place the ledge panel into position, then press down firmly. Next, replace the 4 screws to secure the ledge panel to the chair. Now, peel the protective backing off the new rubber mat. Position the mat with the word charge facing upward and readable while sitting in the chair. Carefully align the mat with the rectangular depression in the ledge panel, then press the mat firmly into place. Smooth the edges of the mat to ensure that it is adhered. Plug in the chair, then power it on. Power on the remote. Press the power button again, then select power off to restore the chair. The chair is restored when the door touch panel lights turn from red to blue and the remote automatically powers off.